when it comes to tax, we really look up to our finance and accounts. So we have Mr. Zaman with us. Let's talk further about how the tax benefits have been implemented in this budget.
Thank you, Sumaya. I am going to share my views regarding proposed national budget of Bangladesh. This year, proposed budget is going to productive for listed companies. All the public listed company with 10% IQ offering will enjoy 20% corporate tax and 27.5% corporate tax for non-publicly traded companies. The outcome is these companies earning boost, and this company to able declare more dividend, and finally encourage companies to get listed in the stock market. However, corporate tax remain unchanged for telecommunication and merchant banking companies. Then the government has proposed to impose higher tax imported goods and provide tax-free facility for local companies. The impact is to protect domestic industry. Moreover, the budget proposed to increase tax reduction at source on interest income for companies 10% to 20%. The impact is every year in the money market less lucrative. Then corporate might try to avoid deposit in banks, and finally the outcome is more encouraged to invest in the stock market. On the other hand, the introduction of capital gain tax on government securities, this may result people choosing capital market more against financial institutions. Then individual tax impact. For individual tax, allowable limit of investment for individual taxpayers shall now be capped at 20%, which was previously 25%. So then entitled income tax rebate shall be 15% direct. The outcome is middle income people will get less rebate up to 15 lakh total taxable income.
Thank you so much for your insights, and if implemented, we are pretty sure to see some influential moves in the market. Alright, so now let's move on to some business talks. We have the unit head of our corporate and institutional investment banking team, Ms. Noli. Everyone's been talking about the business-friendly budget. We read all the articles, all the newspaper, everyone is saying the same. Are you in line with the thing that this is a very much business-friendly, optimistic budget?
Thank you, Sumaya. So the main focus of our budget is to economic recovery from the COVID-19 pandemic, also to control the inflation, and also to ensure the growth. Currently, we have the growth projection of 7.5%. So if we can see the allocation of the government has allocated a significant portion for infrastructure development. Like government has allocated PTT 531 million for PPP project, where we have 79 projects in the pipeline. This is more than 7% of total allocation. Also, the economic zone across our country. The economic zone have received the allocation of USD 25 billion, which is significant amount. Also, for the communication and transport sector, the government had allocated 29%, more than 29% allocation. So, if we can implement this project and these things goes in line with the budget, so definitely this will create the more industrial growth opportunity. New industry will come up that will create the more employment opportunity, and which will enhance the socio-economic condition. So definitely, I think if we can go in line with this budget, we can hope for a better growth.
Okay, and a lot of opportunities for investors at the same time. Thank you so much for showing us the picture, the optimistic budget that we've been talking about.